Hi Revolve, I am celebrity stylist Molly Dickson, and this is what is in my styling kit bag. It's all the essentials that I bring all around the world with me when I'm on the go, from photo shoots to world tours. Let's get into it. This is actually my favorite color. It's like a dusty pink, and I love it because so many things can fit into it. I feel like it's like the Mary Poppins kit bag. The most important thing in the kit bag are the underpinnings. My favorite is the Skims Thong shapewear. Like, look how small this is, but it sucks everything in. This is like my one favorite kit essential. It's seamless, it goes well under dresses, there's no lines, and then this is a sticky boob. These are like little inserts that you can put into your bra to get a little extra cleavage. You clasp it in the middle and you push the boobs together, but if you get it in like 1 or 2 sizes smaller, it creates like the best cleavage ever. I have 2 favorite bras. The Nood Skims Comfortable Everyday Bra. So many of my clients wear this. It's seamless. It comes in different styles, but I like the one with the clasps in the back. Another one, this is kind of like a little bit more elevated. It's silk, it's Fleur Du Mal. I love this one. Okay guys, let's talk about undies. It's so important that you're wearing the right undergarments. These are my go-to thong. I pack them in all of my clients' suitcases when they travel. It's completely seamless. It also comes in black and brown. It was probably like 10 years ago, Kim Kardashian, there was this video of her where she had duct tape holding her boobs up. I think that triggered this trend of boob tape. This one is my favorite. It's B6. Just hold your boob up, tape it all the way up, and it keeps your boobs lifted. And lastly, for the undergarments kit are my favorite nipple covers called Nippies. I found that a lot of nippet brands don't stay on very long, but this one lasts through like extreme heat, sweat. It's my favorite, it's amazing. You would not be a stylist if you did not always have a handheld steamer. This is like the most important thing for a stylist to have. My assistant found these packing jewelry kits and it has been so helpful. She bought this one on Revolve. It's so perfect because it holds all the jewelry, it's secure, it's easy to look at. So recently I have been putting a candle in my kit to put in the glam room because there's sometimes been some stinky scents on set. This one smells so good. It's Maison Louis Marie. It also just brings like a really calming, good energy. Obviously, Red Bull is in my kit because I don't ever sleep and I need energy. So when we're at like a press junket with a client, it means we're like stuck in a hotel room. So we have been playing card games. The external charger because my phone is always dying. Also guys, these packing cubes are so helpful. I'm like the most unorganized person. And my assistant, after every shoot, will like organize everything so we know all the undergarments are in here, all the prop kit supplies are in here, and so forth. Now we are in the styling prop kit supplies. Mini sewing kit, a bar of ivory soap. So if you're wearing like a white dress and there's like a dirt mark or makeup, you use ivory soap, warm water, and brush lightly. It'll get it out. Shout wipes, scissors, heel pads, safety pins. Everyone needs to get this. It is a hole puncher. If your belt is too big, you can create holes to make it smaller. This is a lifesaver. Static guard. My clients always are in the glam chair for like 2 hours getting their hair and makeup done, and then it's time for me to dress them, but we don't want to ruin the makeup. So I have them put on this little face shield, and then we put the top on over, and then the makeup, it doesn't move, and it doesn't get on the clothes. This is a sponge. It looks like a makeup sponge, but it's actually for clothing. If you get deodorant on your shirt, you just go like this, and it's like a magical sponge. The deodorant or makeup will disappear. And a lint roller. Okay, the last packing cube. Wolford Pure 10 tights. They're sheer, they're amazing. They're just perfect. I also love Falk tights. They last longer and they don't snag, they don't tear, they're worth it. Wolford bodysuit. I always have this in my kit. If something happens to a client's top, she spills on it, she can always just throw on this turtleneck bodysuit. My favorite, Barefoot Dreams socks. These are so comfortable. When my clients are in the glam chair, I always give them these so they can be cozy while they're doing their glam. And then we always have the Skims classic t-shirt in white and black. There's also this secret hidden bottom compartment, which is great. And I put UGG slippers for my clients in there. I love UGGs. Skittles, because I need sugar at all times. And then Pepto-Bismol, because I like sugar so much. Last but not least, I will go nowhere without my superstar assistant, Paige. That is what is in my styling kit bag. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.